Hi guys, welcome back to the VHS. This is a short video to let y'all know that it will not be a video today for the simple reason your girl is sick. I am sick. I don't have C19. Skirt, no. From the pollen of the south. The pollen is so thick here. My daughter ended up getting sick first. And anybody that gets sick with a cold, a sinus infection, whatever, I'm around, my immune system is really nothing. I will pick up that bacteria, in which I did. So we went to the doctor on yesterday, and we're both on amoxicillin and a whole bunch of antihistamines. So I'm just dropping off. I've been trying to drop videos as much as possible. So today is just a short to let you know your girl is sick. I do have 2 videos. One will drop tomorrow that I already have there. I just need to do a little bit of editing to it. And I think it's a shot with me, I think. And then on Saturday, y'all, look out, because it'll be my very first spring summer upload. So I have so many of them that I will be doing. And then I have a DIY, and you all gonna help me, yes, decorate my entryway. I am building a table for my entryway. So I will be having that video coming up next week. Also, I will be recording. I feel bad as far as throat up, lungs, everything is very clear. Also, let me tell y'all what happened yesterday. My daughter and I went to the doctor, left the doctor, went by Aldi to pick up some stuff for last night, because I know I wanted something green. So I did stir fry with nothing but green bell peppers, spinach, and broccoli with sweet and sour sauce. So that's what we had last night. But I came out of Aldi, y'all, got ready to crank my truck. Nothing. Girlfriend battery died. So I called Eastside Usai, and Eastside Usai told me he wasn't even coming. So whatever. God got me and my baby covered. So I remember that in the back of my truck, I bought the booster cable box. Thank you, Jesus. So, thing about it, did not have it charged. Didn't have it charged. So, my daughter went inside. They let us charge it. It charged, came back out. Boom, truck cranked right back up. So, I am just now getting back home. I went to Kia this morning. My battery cost me over $350. $350. But nevertheless, you see I'm riding. So that was paid and done. My son car is so pretty. Let me let y'all see my son car, what he is done. My son car is so pretty. Look at there. He has changed the rims on it. A video is coming on his car. A video is coming. So guys, I felt so bad. I came in and I went straight to sleep. Probably can't hardly see me because I am in bed. As you can see, voice is now wiped out. So I noticed I was editing, did not have an outro. Guys, I will drop a video tomorrow and also Saturday. So girlfriend, is getting ready to take some more medicine and go back to sleep. Bye guys.